Yeah, so guys, we are right at the entrance to Embu County, to the heart of Embu County.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, we are here. This sign tells you that we are now getting into Embu County, and you're all welcome.
Yeah, all of you watching this video, you are much welcome to Embu County. So let's go to Embu County and see how the city looks like. I'm very happy to be right at Embu County. I'm so happy. How long have you been in this county?
I have been here for 2 months. This is my second month. Yeah.
Amazing. And how is life in Embu County?
I can say it's not bad. It's fair. Yeah. It's fairly expensive, fairly cheap. It's nice. Yeah, life here is nice. I like it.
Amazing, amazing. Like, I'm so excited just to see Embu County. Like, we're still looking around, just show you guys how this city is, man. Like, this city is just amazing, very beautiful, man. Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very beautiful. There are so many amenities here. The infrastructure is nice. Yeah, I think you can almost get everything that you want within the town. Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, if you are living around Embu County, or if you love to visit Embu County, make sure to support your brother Elvis Daddy, the king of YouTubers, man. Remember, it's all about content, after content in East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, so guys, this is Embu County, man. See, like, this county is very developed, man. East Africa, Kenya, amazing. Type. Zaiona. Hii ni cable. Nilikuwa nataka adapter. Was I paid Nagaloa? Ni kan Huan Jing. Ah. 这个楼是新的。啊。对，看新的。
这个学校建了多久哎？
So guys, we are here at the Embu Talent Academy, as you can see. What normally happens here is we normally have young people coming here to do a lot of things like skating. There are those who come to dance. There are others who come to play basketball. There is even others who come to play volleyball. And also several events are usually held here. Yeah, so basically it's about talents and young people. Yeah, a lot of events are usually held here. Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we're joined by this amazing and beautiful lady all the way from Embu County, and she would like to tell us what she really likes about Embu County.
Embu County is nice, super friendly, and we come to watch and play, to interact and know each other.
So you recommend anyone who would love to travel to Embu County or to Kenya to come and visit this amazing county?
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time. What's your name?
Liz.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, so my brother, what do you like about Embu County?
Basketball. Yeah, just the love of the game.
Embu is a quiet place. It's a developing town. I love the fact that within a develop, it's a land of opportunities. So anybody who comes to Embu has a chance to prosper in terms of the infrastructure is growing. The people are good. It's peaceful. And there's a lot of, for me, it's the opportunities. Kuna opportunities mingi sana in town, and it has a lot of potential to grow, to be a bigger town. Yeah, and the people are so welcoming. I'm not from around here, but when nilikuja, it's very good.
Yeah, so guys, I've enjoyed myself here at Embu County, man. Like, you have gone in each and every street. Like, you have seen like the city is so beautiful, like the buildings, the people are so friendly. What do you think?
Yeah, the people here are very nice and they are very social. We have really loved the place, and we hope that when you come to visit, you will also have a very nice stay here.
And so guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing episode. I'm gonna put her links in the description down below. The Parrot Sisters, so we should support our sister right here. Like, she's doing a very amazing job right at Embu County, just to show you guys the content in this amazing and wonderful county.